Now we will see automatically constrained connections in dropdowns. Welcome to the world of holistic efficient solutions. As always, this video is uncut. We start from scratch, starting slowly. We need 1, 2, 3 more fields and some data. We just use our little helper again and make that in a proper format. And maybe we want to rename our table into tasks, something like that. And maybe we want to factor out our city into a table called cities, along with a field also called city. And we just do it like this. And if we open it up, we can then also move country where it belongs to into the cities table. And in the field list, we might want to take the country and the city and leave the rest as it is. So now you see we have the country on the outside, and inside we have the city. If we open the drop down, you will see that in that case it's just one green, the others are all red. All of the available cities, we can, by the way, have a look at the cities, how they look like, just for reference. So we talk about 8 cities over here. All those 8 cities will show up inside there, in any of those drop downs actually. But depending on what country we are in, actually, we will have more and other cities to deal with. Even if we, for example, delete one, and we go to Boston, for example, now New York shows up again, and we can move or relocate to New York if we would like, or even to San Francisco, and then this will show up over here. We can also, of course, create a sibling with insert, and then it will show up in Boston, and we can move people around to Boston, for example, like this. Why is that so? Why does that automatically show up in greenish and in reddish, depending on the context? So this is automatically done by Embrace, just by having the structure as we have it here, because we have cities factored out and countries associated with those cities. That's what empowers Embrace out of the box to support you with proper clustering, showing you what's part of that actual country and whatnot. But nevertheless, it's not constraining you to stick with the greenish ones. You can also switch to the reddish, but this will have an impact to the surrounding clustering, in that case the country. That's all there is. So you have all the flexibility, but you also have guidance if you want to when selecting some of those fields. And of course there's more to Embrace, but that'll be another story.